I had a successful filming day today. Started my morning off so tired. I've just been having really late nights, and then obviously needing to get up early for the doggies. Thought I'd switch things up this month, and I went for a cup of tea instead of a coffee. And I'm keeping it real, I had a donut for breakfast. Slowly making my way through the donut time Christmas donuts. I also think I'm gonna have to leave this armchair here for shadow. It belongs in the living room, but obviously we couldn't fit it with the Christmas tree. So I think that's his new bed. I had a few videos to film, so here's me getting ready. I filmed a makeup look and a couple of hair tutorials. These are the tops I picked out to wear. Felt like picking out a mantra before I started filming. I picked out this one. I am worthy of living the life of my dreams. And I just feel like I got that at the right time. Here is a little behind the scenes of me filming. I'm obsessed with the sparkly New Year's Eve hair I shot. Tutorial coming soon. Headed to our storage unit to help Robin with some Sophie and hair orders. Picked up some dinner from Waitrose. Did some editing. Had a little cud with the doggies, and then we took them out for a walk. Had to wear the earmuffs because it was absolutely freezing. Missed their advent calendars this morning, so they did a little treat when they got home. Then because I had so much glitter on my hair, I needed a hair wash. So head over the bath it was. Here's me using my Sophie and hair microfiber hair towel. If you're not using a microfiber hair towel when you wash your hair, you need to be. It's much gentler on the hair compared to cotton, so it's going to prevent breakage, and it actually helps absorb a lot of the water from your hair, so it makes drying time quicker. A quick blow dry, and now I'm all ready for bed.